Wanna know how to convert your track from mono to stereo in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how I can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application, and now once you've done that, here you should see your file or your track right here. Just double click to select it, and now once you've done that, now just simply on the left side you should be seeing L and R right here. So what you can do is just simply duplicate the track once. So just simply right click on it, and here you should be seeing duplicate. So if you don't, just simply select copy and paste right here, and once you select it, it should be pasted just like this. Now in order to change it to stereo, what you can do is here you should be seeing L and R. Just simply pan this to the left side all the way, that is 100%, and down here you should be seeing R. Just simply pan it all the way to 100% as well. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.